Hello, I'm your Metro Detroit rail fanner. This is a reversed train in Plymouth, Michigan. A bit strange one. Strange to see it reversed. I've seen it on videos. Not sure if I've seen it in person or not. Kind of like if a subway car, if like Amtrak's head to Plymouth. Well, that's kind of weird. That train being reversed. I think that's kind of strange sighting, isn't it? Reversed cars? Like how? I've never seen anything like it in person. Well, it looks like, yeah, that's reversed. I got to admit. Or maybe it is. Or what if it's not? This car's reversed. Yeah, it is a bit kind of strange. I have totally never even seen anything like this. Well, we should go over to the signal, because I like doing so. Cars in reverse mode. Sorcerific reverse cars. Even unexpected. Some type of unexpected train car reversal. Kind of curious. There's the engine. Don't forget to subscribe, everyone, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See you later. All those cars going by, finally free.